Feeling bloated? Low on energy? It's time for a natural detox. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make a powerful moringa juice for detox using simple ingredients at home. And if you're looking for a convenient way to enjoy all the benefits of moringa daily, check out Moringa Magic Supplement. Link is in the description below. Let's dive right in. Moringa is a superfood loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and anti-inflammatory properties. This juice helps cleanse your body, improve digestion, and boost immunity. To make this detox juice, you'll need 1 cup of fresh moringa leaves, or you can use 1 teaspoon of moringa powder if fresh leaves aren't available. Add half a sliced cucumber, 1 chopped green apple, the juice of 1 lemon, a small piece of ginger, and 1 cup of coconut water or plain water. For a touch of sweetness, you can also add a little honey. Alright, let's get started. Add everything to a blender. The moringa leaves, cucumber, apple, lemon juice, ginger, and coconut water. Then, just blend it all together until it's nice and smooth. Once it's all blended, you can strain it if you want a smoother drink, or just go ahead and enjoy it as is to keep all that healthy fiber in there. Now strain it if you prefer a smoother drink, or just enjoy it as is for that extra fiber. And there you have it, your fresh homemade Moringa Detox Juice. It's super hydrating, really refreshing, and honestly, your body will thank you for it. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for best results. Try using it 3 to 4 times a week for a natural detox boost. You can store it in the fridge for up to 24 hours, but, fresh is always best. Now I get it. Not everyone has access to fresh moringa leaves or time to make juice every day. That's where Moringa Magic Supplement comes in. So, it's honestly an easy-to-use dietary supplement, packed with all the benefits of moringa in a simple capsule form. Perfect for those busy mornings or, when you're traveling. Grab yours now. The link is in the description below. Whether you decide to go with this homemade juice or the Moringa Magic Supplement, your body totally gets the detox it deserves. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. And just a quick reminder, Moringa Magic Supplement is only 1 click away. Link in the description below.